Welcome to BeeQuiz English. Let's play, guess, and learn English together. Are you ready? Let's go. How many elephants are there? Three elephants. How many birds are there? Four birds. How many tigers are there? Six tigers. How many butterflies are there? Five butterflies. How many hippos are there? Two hippos. How many bees are there? Ten bees. How many flowers are there? Seven flowers. How many frogs are there? 11 frogs. How many ladybugs are there? 8 ladybugs. How many fish are there? 12 fish. How many starfish are there? 14 starfish. How many snails are there? 9 snails. How many crabs are there? 13 crabs. How many turtles are there? 15 turtles. Thanks for watching BeeQuiz English. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.